Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete an unwanted language on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So sometimes when you open up a website or an app, it may display in a different language other than English or a language that you don't want to use. So here's how you can delete that language. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, you want to go and find the settings icon and tap on the settings icon. In here, we're going to go down and tap on general. In the general page, we're going to go down and tap on language and region. Next, we're going to go down and you can see in the prefer language order. Now you want to delete the language that you don't want to use. So for example, this Chinese traditional language that I don't need, you can swipe across to the left like that, and then there is the delete button. You tap on it and then tap on continued, and that will allow you to remove the unwanted language on your device. Now there is also an edit button at the top here that you can tap on it. Once you tap on the edit button, you can also remove the language that you don't want to use. So there are just different ways of removing the language on your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.